Ready, sir?
I am, yes.
That's fine. Step to the counter, state your full name for the judge, including your middle.
Hello, Charlotte Nicholas Fleischacker.
Okay, thank you. Give me a moment. All right, sir, I want to confirm your address. The state is alleging one charge against you as a DUI violation. You have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for an arraignment on the 22nd of July at 9 a.m. The arraignment is where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest. Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court proceeding. A DUI case is jury eligible and also has the right to have a court-appointed attorney. If you're interested in a court-appointed attorney at little or no cost to you, come to the courthouse, pick up a financial questionnaire, and bring it to your next court date, complete it, and we'll see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. Your release conditions are obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately if your address changes, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription. Do you understand those release conditions?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you abide by those?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
I will.
I'm going to assign you to pretrial services to monitor those release conditions with you. So when you get released from custody, you're ordered to contact the probation department, and I'll give you a name and phone number. They're expecting your call, and they're going to tell you that they're going to want you to report to them. Make sure you're abiding by these release conditions. Make sure you're following their requirements. Any violation of those, and your release can be revoked. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and you'll appear in court on the 22nd July?
Yes.
All right, I'll release you on your own recognizance. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
All right, if you want that financial questionnaire to see if you want a court-appointed attorney or not, swing by after you get released.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Right there. Follow the sword. Right this way. Step to the counter, state your full name for the judge, including your middle.
Shayna Ann Henson.
All right, let me confirm your address. The state is alleging 3 charges against you. All of them are felony allegations. The first one is dangerous drug possession or use. The second is narcotic drug possession or use. And the third charge is drug paraphernalia possession or use. On those charges, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for a court date on the 6th of July at 4:00 p.m. That's called a preliminary hearing. That's to determine if there is probable cause to charge you with those felony allegations, not convict you. If probable cause is found, then your case will bind over to the Gila County Superior Court. If probable cause is not found, then your case could dismiss.
Okay.
Your release conditions are obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately of any change of address, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription, and do not possess any firearms. There's a possibility that the case may go in front of a grand jury prior to that court date. So the best thing for you to do is to check with the court to see if it's still proceeding one business day ahead of time.
Okay.
I'm placing a $3,000 bond hold on you, so you remain in custody under that bond. Being that you're held in custody under a bond, you have the right to a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford to hire one. So I'll be sending you a financial questionnaire to complete that if you wish to see if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney, fill that questionnaire out, okay?
Okay.
Also, what happens when you're held on bond is the prosecutor for the state of Arizona must file a complaint against you within 48 hours of this hearing. If they fail to do that, you'll be released on your own recognizance without having to post bond, but they can file the case up to the statute of limitations, which is at or near 7 years from the date of your arrest, okay? If they do file a complaint within that 48 hours and you do qualify for a court-appointed attorney, then your attorney will be assigned at that time, be made aware of your charges, aware of your bond, and be in touch with you shortly thereafter. Do you have any questions at all?
No.
Okay, that's all I have for you.
Step to the counter, state your full name for the judge.
You know Darlene Stoltz?
All right, I want to confirm your address. The state is alleging one allegation of shoplift against you. That's a misdemeanor violation. You have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for an arraignment on the 22nd of July at 9 a.m. That's where you'll need to be prepared to plead either guilty, not guilty, or no contest to the charge on that date.
Yes, sir.
Depending on how you plead will be what happens next with the court process, and all of those options as well as the penalty range will be explained to you at that time. Your release conditions are as follows: obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately of a change of address, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not contact the alleged victim in any manner, and do not go near the location of the alleged offense. You're also to report to the probation department when you get released, so they're expecting your phone call. They're going to monitor you to make sure you're abiding by these release conditions between now and your next court date, on and on until the case is adjudicated. Any failure to comply with their requirements or these release conditions, and your release can be revoked. So you'll be getting a name and phone number to contact right when you're getting released. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Can you comply with those release conditions?
I can.
And you'll show up to court as ordered?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll release you on your own recognizance. Make sure you contact the probation department.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Gentlemen,
All right, we'll get it sent over shortly.
you got a thing, sir.
You bet.
Oh, sir,
Yeah.
the individual we just brought in, I think we'll get our paperwork done here shortly and send it over to you. She was slightly before 1 o'clock is when she got picked up.
Okay, we'll take a look at it and see what we can do.
You gotta appreciate it, sir.
You bet.